Hey guys, it's Coach Tim SEO. I am in the Spider Cave Studios themselves for a rare showing. I usually lately have been out on the steps, but doing the steps challenge. So check that out if you would like. It's a great way to create content and get healthy. So I'm going to share something right now that is part of my content philosophy. Um, you, if you have any digital presence at all, in fact, I just kind of talked about a hack on my steps talk, so you can watch that video also. But this specifically is born of that. Whereas everything is an opportunity to create content. Be the content, as big podcaster, video guy, Brad Lee says. Be the content. Your world is your content. Um, I realized that years ago that really spawned all this is me being a football coach, and I'm Mr. Football Coach, right? So I got all this philosophical stuff that I do and motivational stuff. So uh, a lot of my clients know that I use that, and my friends, I use that all the time in the way that I communicate. So it was a natural extension to say Coach Tim and then Coach Tim SEO. Um, so get a text, I guess, late last night, and then this morning, early this morning, that a client is concerned about his ads. Seems that he got two solicitations from Google local, Google can't remember, I'm just going to screw this up. The Google local ads that are not Google business profile, but the Google local ads, where you have to be vetted and all that stuff. And he got a solicitation from a cleaning company, and he got a solicitation from another person in his business to check out what he was selling, which my response was that could be an ad. It could just be that you're starting to show up. We're starting to get you out there, and and weird things happen, and people will solicit you. They're soliciting you because they're finding you, either through an ad or not. Now, if it is an ad, that's BS that someone's going to use your ad and make you spend money so that they can solicit you. That's kind of messed up. So but that's what happens. And the way that I ended it is I said, get used to it, because there's on either side, you can't tell someone not to contact you. And if anything, it's perhaps a sign of positivity, because people are finding you, you know, and anybody that's been around the net of any amount of time and has any amount of traffic knows that there's a lot of BS leads that go through. And and I've told clients, because on their forums, different industry than that I'm thinking about than this one this morning. But I told them, take the form off. All you get is crap. That all you get off of that is crap. Let them text onto your number or call your number. And more people are doing that anyway, more liberally than ever before. And so I'll leave you with that, and I'm going to upload this and then pass it on to my client as a sort of personal message, but to show and demonstrate that you can leverage your day. Everything is leveraged, and it's this content that he presented me this morning is content for you if you're not him, if you're catching this. And it is, like I like to say, it's sort of morally unjust if you don't share the knowledge. Think of it that way. You have knowledge in this business that you do, and the best intel that you have is your clients, is that prospect that just called and asked you something. It is the best content is the intel that you get from your marketplace. It's better than keyword research or anything, because you know that people want it. You know that this is an issue, because if it happens on one person, it happens on another. Anyway, this is Coach Tim out. I hope you enjoyed that, and it kind of opens you up to other things that you need to focus on. Peace.